Workplace Stability, a book and a workshop, explores the environment of economic class and concentrates on three broad topics. 1. How to reduce turnover and increase productivity with entry-level, lower-wage employees. 2. Strategies that improve employee relationships. And 3. Increase stability for everyone, you as an employer and your employees. First, we analyze employee relationships. When we understand the economic environments that our employees live in and what they must do within that environment to be successful, we are able to create better relationships. Hidden rules are the unspoken cues and habits of a group. Every economic class has hidden rules. When we know the rules of multiple environments and why our employees make the decisions they do, we can have better relationships. Daily instability is the extent to which we do without resources. The more resources you have, the more successful you can be, and that includes our relationships. Next, we explore productivity and retention. A study completed by ProLiteracy says of adults in the United States more than 16 years of age, 14% read at or below a 5th grade reading comprehension level, and 29% at the 8th grade reading level. That spells trouble for us in the workplace, but we have strategies. In a study from Matthew Bidwell at Wharton, he found that it cost around 18% more to hire from outside the company. Promoting from within costs less. The current employee has a proven degree of loyalty, and transitioning to the new role takes less time. When we make the shift to stabilize our current workforce by working differently, we see an increased return on investment. Now that we understand the environments of economic class, we spend time on supports for our employees that impact our success as a business. Small dollar loans provide employees access to a safe, regulated bank loan with no credit checks prior to the loan. It is one of the best ways to stabilize an employee. Check out ern-usa.com to discover how this model that pulls together businesses to provide supports to entry-level employees, many still on public assistance, will increase retention and return on investment. By adding or altering benefits, policies, onboarding, training, relationships, and more, we end up creating environments that lend itself to higher retention, productivity, and net income. Take a look at how instability, employee performance, and profitability are all related. Check out our solutions at ahaprocess.com. I look forward to hearing from you.